So hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, your go-to-go channel for the latest job opportunities and career tips in tech. So today we have got an exciting job openings for freshers and entry-level developers. So Entity Data, which is one of the top global tech giants, is hiring for the role of associate software development engineer in Chennai location with an hybrid work model. So I'll walk you through everything you need to know from the role details, responsibilities, skills required, and how you can apply. So if you are a recent graduate or looking to kickstart your tech career, then stay with me till then. And also, if you are new here, do subscribe to our channel for the notes because we bring three important hirings daily on this particular YouTube channel. And also like this video if you think that this job is what you are looking for, and turn on the bell icon so that you keep getting notifications once we upload our new video. So now let's dive into the job details. So as you can see, the job is of associate software development engineer, and the company is Entity Data. The work location, as you can see, is in Chennai, which is in again in Tamil Nadu, India, and it's a model working model is going to be hybrid, which is 2 to 3 days of office you have to visit in a week. So this is all about the role and the designations, and it's an entry level freshers job opportunity. So this is going to be an incredible opportunity for a fresh graduate. And let's understand a little bit about the company. So Entity Data is basically a global tech giant with over $30 billion revenue, working with 75% of the Fortune Global 100 companies. It focuses on digital transformations, cloud, AI, and consulting services. It's headquartered in Tokyo. The company operates in 50 plus countries and invests $3.6 billion annually in research and development. So the role overview is going to be like so as an associate software development engineer, you will be basically uh, supporting the development of software applications and systems, from cloud applications to AI/ML solutions. This is an entry level positions ideal for candidates starting their tech career. So the key responsibilities for this particular job is going to be something like yes, as you can see, they have mentioned the key responsibilities for this particular role. So it will be something like assisting in designing, developing, and testing software applications and modules, along with writing updates and manual maintaining clean code under the guidance of senior developers, plus working in microservice based architectures and API integrations, plus collaborating with the product team to deliver software components. You'll also be involved into supporting deployments, automated testings, and code reviews, plus helping building solutions using cloud technologies and automation tools. You'll also be involved into documenting programs, end user guides, and operational procedures. So these are some of the responsibilities that you have to perform once you join Entity Data as an associate software development engineer. So now let's move to the required skill sets. Okay. Yes, so as you can see, they have mentioned the basic requirements for this role. So you should have the basic understanding of cloud platforms like AWS, GCP, Microsoft Azure, or Office 365. Familiarity with programming languages like Java, Python, JavaScript, and the frameworks like Node.js, and the knowledge of data structure and algorithm and basic software design principles as well. You should also have the exposure to microservices and RESTful APIs, along with some knowledge of CI/CD tools and agile methodologies as well. Plus, you should also have the interest in AI/ML concepts and handling data structured and both a structured and unstructured data. Plus, you must have the good communication and ability to work in cross-functional teams. So these are the basic criteria or requirements they have mentioned for being eligible for this role. And educational qualification they have mentioned is a bachelor degree in computer science, engineering, or related field, and entry levels so suitable for freshers or recent graduates. And you should have the familiarity with software cycle tool like Git, Jira, IDEs. Plus, if you are a Microsoft certified as your fundamental, then you will be preferred over the other people. And also, any hands-on experience with large data sets running on machine learning models is again a bonus for you. So work culture and benefits working at Entity Data is like great. You will get a global exposure, plus it's an equal opportunity employer, so no discrimination will be there. So, and why one should apply is, of course, as I mentioned, you'll get a global exposure, and it's a global tech company with excellent learning scope. You'll get a hand-on exposure to cloud, APIs, AI/ML, etc. Plus, you'll get perfect launch pad for freshers in tech. So if you are freshers, you'll get a perfect launch pad, and also you'll get to work with experienced global teams. So this was all about this benefits. Also, would you like YouTube script, kind of things. So yeah, this was all about this wonderful opportunity from the entity data. And if this opportunity excites you, so go check it out. I have mentioned a direct link in the description. Apply as soon as possible before the deadline, because this type of jobs don't last for long. So go check it out and apply as soon as possible. Yeah, this was all about this wonderful opportunity. I wish you all the best with your applications. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.